Are you looking for the best water testing kits in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best water testing kits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the TapScore Advanced Home Water Test. The TapScore Advanced Water Test Kit is suitable for all types of drinking water, whether your home is served by a municipal water utility or a private well. It can detect over 100 contaminants, making it particularly useful for wells located near farming or industrial activity areas more prone to bacteria and pesticides. This kit has 3 vials, allowing you to take a water sample from your faucet easily. It also comes with a prepaid shipping label to submit the samples to a network of EPA-certified laboratories. According to the manufacturer, you should receive results in about 5 business days, though it can take longer. TapScore tests for 114 water quality parameters and provides results in a highly detailed lab report. The results are quantified, revealing the exact amount of the contaminants that might be present in your drinking water. You may also receive unbiased filtration recommendations, health guidance, and taste evaluation, depending on the results. Up next in the 4th place is the Varify Complete Water Test Kit. This comprehensive at-home water testing kit is one of the most affordable options in our roundup. It includes 100 test strips plus 2 bacteria tests and screens for 17 common contaminants, including chlorine, bacteria, hydrogen sulfide, and nitrates. That way, homeowners can perform frequent testing and detect changes or patterns in their water quality over time. This kit also provides readouts on your water hardness, total alkalinity, and pH. The 16-in-1 water test will give you almost instant results in less than 2 minutes. However, the separate bacteria test will need to sit out for 48 hours to produce accurate results. Though it will indicate whether bacteria are present, it can't quantify the exact amount of bacteria in the water. If bacteria are detected, it's recommended that you send a sample to a lab for further testing. The 3rd product on our list is the Health Metric Well Water Test Kit. Since well water is not regulated under the EPA, it must be tested regularly to ensure its safety. This kit tests for 8 parameters that can affect your water quality: multiple bacteria types, nitrites, nitrates, manganese, and hydrogen sulfide. It also provides readouts on total alkalinity, water hardness, and pH. Note that this kit doesn't test for lead, another contaminant often found in well water. This kit includes test strips that you can compare to a color-coded chart, allowing you to test for contaminants easily. Most of the strips produce results in less than 5 minutes. However, the bacteria test takes 48 hours to deliver accurate results. Occasionally, the test strip's colors vary slightly from those on the chart, making the results difficult to interpret. Second on our list is the Taylor Technology Complete Test Kit. This pool test kit delivers accurate results, so you can be sure your pool is safe to swim in. It tests for vital parameters, including free and total chlorine, pH, acid and base demand, hardness, and total alkalinity. Thanks to simple instructions, you can easily mix the reagent drops with your water sample and receive results in seconds. The color-coded drop reagents are easier to interpret than paper strips, which is a plus. This water testing kit also includes a circular water treatment chart, helping you adjust the chemical levels if needed. Note that this pool kit has more components than more basic options, and it comes with an informative, albeit lengthy, booklet on pool chemistry. Though it's an excellent choice for performing an in-depth analysis of your pool water quality, it may be a little overwhelming for a novice. Finally, the top product on our list is the J&W Direct Water Hardness Test Strips. With this convenient water testing kit, you can test the hardness of any water source, including faucets, wells, pools, and dishwashers. J&W Direct Water Total Hardness strips are easy to use and deliver results in minutes. All you have to do is dip your strips in the water sample and then compare your results to the handy color-coded chart. This testing kit is extremely affordable, and it includes 150 strips, allowing you to perform multiple tests. The included ebook provides additional information about your water hardness. You can also use it to record, track, and monitor the results of your water tests, giving you a better perspective on your water's health over time. Keep in mind that the results are not as accurate as those sent to a professional lab. But this kit is a good starting point if you're concerned about hard water. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.